Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to play Deimos in Rainbow Six Siege. Deimos is a formidable attacker, known for his ability to hunt down and eliminate specific defenders. His unique gadget, the Death Mark, provides crucial intel, allowing you to pinpoint enemy locations. We'll cover his loadout, gadget usage, and effective strategies to maximize his potential on the battlefield. Get ready to master this powerful operator. Deimos' signature gadget is the Death Mark. When activated, it reveals the live location of one chosen defender for a duration of 10 seconds, showing a clear red outline. However, be aware that you are also tracked during this time. This makes it a high-risk, high-reward ability, perfect for isolating roamers or pushing specific objectives. Coordinate with your team for maximum impact. Deimos offers a versatile loadout. You can choose between the reliable AK-74M assault rifle or the close-quarters M590A1 shotgun. His unique secondary, the .44 Vendetta, is a powerful revolver. For gadgets, you have the option of frag grenades for area denial or a hard breach charge for opening reinforced walls. Play aggressively, using your Death Mark intel to outmaneuver and eliminate opponents. For advanced play, always communicate the tracked enemy's location to your team. This allows for coordinated pushes and crossfires. You can also use Death Mark to bait defenders into unfavorable engagements. Consider pairing Deimos with operators like Lion or Jackal to amplify tracking effects. Remember, while your target is revealed, so are you, so maintain situational awareness and play smart.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.